Now we will learn how to construct an angle of 75 degree. For this, we have to take a line segment AB with center A and any convenient radius. Draw an arc which intersects the line AB at any point, say C. Now, with center C and same radius, draw another arc which intersects the previous arc at some point, say D. Now with center D and same radius, draw another arc and mark point E. With center D and some convenient radius, draw an arc. And with center E and same radius, draw another arc which cross the previous arc at F. Join AF. Angle FAB is 90 degree. Join AD. Now angle PAB is 60 degree. For 75 degree we have to bisect FAP. For this, with center D and any convenient radius, draw an arc. And with center G and same radius, draw another arc. Both cross at point H. Now join AH. Angle HAB equals 75 degree. Now we will see how HAB is 75 degree. HAB equals HAP plus PAB, and HAP is 15 degree and PAB is 60 degree. So 15 plus 60 degree is 75 degree. See, HAP equal 15 degree. How HAP is 15 degree? CD is 60 degree. It makes at the center 60 degree. DE same arc. So DE also 60 degree. It makes at the center. G is the midpoint of ED. It bisects ED. So GD is 30 degree. And midpoint of GD is J. We have bisected GD. So J is midpoint. So JD is 15 degree. So HAP equal 15 degree, half of 30 degree. So HAB equal PAB plus HAP, PAB plus HAP, and that is 60 plus 15 degree. For 135 degree, we make 90 degree and bisect 90 degree to make 45 degree and add 90 degree and 45 degree. For that, first of all, make 90 degree. Draw AB and produce BA to X. With center A, draw an arc. With DS center and same radius, draw an arc. With ES center and same radius, draw another arc which cross first arc at F. Now with E and F as a center and same radius, draw arcs which cross at G. Join AG. Angle GAB equals 90 degree. Now we have to bisect angle GAX. For that we have to bisect arc HC with H and C as center and any convenient radius. Draw two arcs which cross at I. Join AI. Angle JAB equals 135 degree. IAB angle is 120 degree. FAB is 90 degree. So IAB minus FAB is IAF. Means this angle 20 degree, 120 degree minus this angle 90 degree equal 30 degree this angle. Now we have bisected this arc EG. Now this line bisects the arc EG. So this arc is half of EG. So this arc is 15 degree. It makes 15 degree at the center of the circle. So this is 15 degree and this is 90 degree angle. So 15 plus 90 degree makes 105 degree. How to construct an angle of 105 degree? First of all, make an angle of 90 degree. For this, draw a line segment AB with center A and some radius. Draw an arc which intersects the line segment AB at C with center C and same radius. Draw another arc which intersects first arc at D with center D. Draw another arc and mark point E. With D as center and any radius, draw an arc. With E as center and same radius, draw an arc. Both cross at point F. Join AF. Angle FAB equals 90 degree. Now join AE. Angle IAB equals 120 degree. Now for 105 degree bisect angle IAF. For this bisect GE arc. So with center G and D and some convenient radius, draw two arcs which intersect at point H. Join AH. Angle JAB equals 105 degree. Angle GAB equals 90 degree. Angle GAX is 90 degree. AJ bisects this 90 degree. This arc, this is the midpoint of this arc. So this arc is 45 degree. It makes 45 degree at the center of the circle. So this is 45 degree and this arc is 90 degree. So this 45 plus 90 makes 135 degree. So this angle 45 degree and this angle GAB 90 degree makes 135 degree. So JAG, that is 45 degree, plus GAB 90 degree makes JAB 45 plus 90 degree, that is 135 degree.